This morning it was international Europe stuff. This afternoon we got California and other U.S. stations in the other side of the country.
Roger that, man. We have a good one out there too. 73's right on back. 0420 West Coast, Southern Cali, kicking this radio like nothing. Yeah, 189, Buffalo, New York. I got you in my receipt. Come on.
Hey, close to home.
420 Southern Cali.
Take care. Have a good day.
Hey, 189, man. It's 420 like smoking pot.
You can tell he's from California.
Yeah, we need more pot smokers out here today.
There'll probably be more to talk about.
How come there's so many?
Hey, 919, man. I'm out here having a smoke break, 919, but I hear you out there in South Carolina, 420. We're bumping back our numbers like usual.
Turn the preamp on.
A safety meeting, man. What are we having a safety meeting on? Smoking or token?
When I first turned it on, it was cold, and I had to lower it down. I get using another guy, had to warm it, had to bring it up. Does it come up more?
CQDX 369 369 Western New York with the YouTube video waving. Standing by.
Hey, man, I don't order my seeds for Washington.
Hello, 369 167. Good afternoon.
From now,
Hey, 160, how you doing today?
you straight Hawaiian.
Alright, kicking back, relaxing. Just got done eating a late breakfast. Kind of overslept this morning, but yeah, it's going to be a nice day today, somewhere out in the 90s.
Hey, 130 Pennsylvania.
Oh, 160. I thought you were my neighbor down there in northwest Pennsylvania. I must be mistaken. You're gonna get no 90 in Pennsylvania.
California, not far from San Diego there,
That's what they are.
Oh, Roger, 160 California. Roger, okay. Well, the pleasure's on this end. 369 returning.
Yeah, it's 167, Ron. Yeah.
Oh, 167.
About 77 right now.
Oh, Roger, 167. Yeah, sounding good over here in the Empire. We got the YouTube video rolling for you there. Conditions are so strong here.
Oh, really? Yeah, I've had a few people record me and then, they play it back. But, yeah, sometimes it don't even
I
sound
got
like
a stingy
me.
meter, I tell you what.
Over 3,000 miles away, it's amazing, how you can hear yourself and you really don't sound the same, you know what I mean? But, yeah, shoot, man, it sounds pretty good, man. I like that.
QSL on that. Tell you what, I got a really stingy meter, and you're like 1/3/4 over here, and that my neighbors don't even give me that barely, So you're doing really good. Yeah, you can find the video on my YouTube channel, Spanx1Big, or you can just search 369 Western New York Radio.
Again is Ron, Romeo Oscar November, and we're located 60 miles from San Diego, just north of it. So I'll talk to you again soon, bud. 167 Ron out here saying 73s.
All right there, 167. Thanks for the contact there. We'll rate you down in the book so we can do it again. And check out that video. Make a comment on there, and thank you for your contact there. 73 is 369 New York. Standing by. How about that 420 California? How about that 420 out there? 369 Western New York Radio Train. Standing by.
Yeah. 420, shake your arrow.
Check. 357. 032 KW35.
We hear you, Georgia.
Scott Dollar to Omaha.
Oh, we heard someone calling 369. We heard you calling. How about we QSY up to channel 40? I heard a station out there. You got walked all over though. We'll listen for you on channel 40, 405 369 Western New York gone. QSY 405.
Oregon, Fort John. Oregon, Fort John, Woodburn, Oregon. 5.
How about that Oregon station, John 369 New York, trying, standing by.